Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's news time. And let's go straight to the matter when we get for now today. Yeah. The matter when I get for now, the matter when concern Atiku Abubakar and the APC people's battle. Now, we don't see Atiku Abubakar now, they beg for apology. Anybody now when Atiku Abubakar see in the street, it could be, so far you be APC, you go begin, they beg you for apology. I not understand what Atiku Abubakar need apology for. I be, if forget say in the politicians, it be like say Atiku Abubakar forget say in the leader of the People Democratic Party, PDP. Because the way when the man they go about apology, anybody when he see, he go ask for apology. Funky D not understand. That's why I don't tell you before. Say this movement between Atiku Abubakar and the APC, Buhari aka Jubri, na Kurukere movement. Una see say it don't think whether they Kurukere this their movement since this last election where they do when they say APC rig out Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar ain't not expect them. See, now that kind blow, now that kind hot blow when Jubri will give him. That one now knockout, serious knockout blow. That kind of blow when Evander Holyfield give Mike Tyson, when make Mike Tyson can go bite Evander Holyfield ear. Now the kind blow when APC people, they just they blow Atiku Abubakar and PDP, left and right, corner by corner, side by side. So the Atiku Abubakar not see road again. The only thing now when Atiku Abubakar they do now to beg for apology. I don't know whether Atiku Abubakar thinks say big politician, former vice president, they beg Onoche, they tell Onoche say, Mr. Onoche go tender apology to them. You don't go where this La Muhammad, the disinformation minister, you don't go where that one day, cause they beg for apology. Say the disinformation minister must apologize for saying that him when the Atiku Abubakar won't come scatter the things when they won't do on the 29th of this month. That is the inauguration of Buhari aka Amino Sudani. All of us now don't know say that inauguration now stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell on say all this thing when Atiku Abubakar and the PDP people they do. Funky D not understand. Some few days ago, Nahim, police, army, all of them, they talk say they won't go court regarding the issue concerning President Muhammadu Buhari when be Jubri and Atiku Abubakar. Today, we don't see anything. We don't see where they go court. We don't see where they come back from court. We don't hear anything from them. You get? For una when we say una they support PDP, Funky D don't they tell una since say all this support when they support this man when they support make una look very very well. Make una look closely whether this thing when at this game when Atiku and Buhari they play whether na better game, whether this support when they support this man, whether a water. Cause we don't see now say everything when these people they tell us. Now why you very soon then go inaugurate Buhari. The case when Atiku Abubakar get with Buhari, Atiku Abubakar no they speak about the matter again. Now Onoche Atiku Abubakar they attack. Come up from there, begin attack La Muhammad. Buhari when we can get the case, Atiku Abubakar no they attack the Buhari again. Now only that initial time when they come and can say then Tiffy mandate when Funky did not know who vote Atiku Abubakar. Including that Buhari, we not still know people when go cast vote for Buhari. The only thing when we see na militaries when they scatter everything. INEC people start with their own. When they can't tell us say logistic problem. We don't know say then they plan seriously the way when they go take knock Atiku Abubakar and PDP people, even including the whole political parties when they that country. Now they don't succeed to put Atiku Abubakar back. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Succeed to put Jubri back. Now, what about the case when these people, they don't disturb us since that February election, see, the case they for court. Now, so PDP people, which is secondos, they come out, they tell us 24/7, say, man, in a war, say they don't agree. The other one, Olagbedinho, all of them, I mean, Kola, Olagbedinho, all of them don't come out, brag up and down, brag, talk. Look, we don't tire for all this on our talk because now why you talk. We don't tire for all this on our talk because now why you talk. Why can't be say no PDP member don't come out, come oppose Jubri's inauguration? Why can't be say no PDP member, including Atiku Abubakar himself, till today, he not come out and say, no, they don't want this inauguration. They don't want to make them inaugurate Buhari. Now, different thing. Then they divert our mind, they go. Then they do like say, we don't know what they happen underground. We already know what they happen underground. This is a case when they take the display, they lie to Nigerian people, they deceive people, they distract people. We don't know say now fake things when APC and PDP they do. Now game that they take us they play. Atiku they play game. Serious game, because if Atiku really want a mandate, Atiku for don't come out on the talk say he don't want me to inaugurate Jubri. But this man they busy, they talk to this woman and they talk to the other man where they call disinformation minister La Muhammad. Say he need apology. He not tell Buhari say he need apology. Now people like this woman, what they call Loretta Onoche Atiku, they beg for apology. Which apology? Which kind of apology they beg them, make them apologize? I don't understand. So, if this owner fight, owner court case, owner tribunal case, when they tell us since, say na real thing when they do, nobody go to talk today about inauguration of Buhari. Nobody go to talk. Nobody go to come out to speak about them. That is why Funky D say PDP and APC, they know the game when then they play. They know say then they play with Nigerian people. Then they play with on our brain, with on our mind. Another thing, they go underground. They go on in underground. How come una go wait? Una say case dey for court when they never judge. Una don't know who win election. Nobody know who win election. Nobody know whether na Buhari or na Atiku win. And una they come to tell the world say Atiku they challenge Buhari. Atiku they challenge Buhari. Waiting go be the reason why when they go inaugurate Buhari before the tribunal. I mean, sorry, before the conclusion of the case or before the verdict. And PDP people, the thing just it just dawn on them. All of them just relax. And I be see something they happen under the ground. Something they happen, ladies and gentlemen, underground when una no know. Now the thing when Funky D won't try to analyze today, because una no go tell us last time say una they go court, tribunal some few days back. Till today, we not see Buhari for court. We not see Atiku for court. In fact, some letters when court draft give the PDP people, make them go serve APC. APC self, Buhari not receive any letter. Buhari, they said it not they reach, they're not they reach Buhari. They're not nothing reach the APC say they're not there aware of anything. Ladies and gentlemen, we could not see the deceive when Atiku know, because we know say that man greediness did too much. Nobody know whether they don't take money or pay money on the ground. Whether Atiku don't collect behind closed doors, collect them, choking them, and nobody go know. And some mumu PDP people, and go there. They waka, they follow Atiku Abubakar up and down. in the name of say Atiku Abubakar don't win election. Atiku Abubakar just did that. They give him a fake promise say in Dongo must collect the mandate. He must to get them. Where Atiku Abubakar won't get any mandate? Who won't give Atiku Abubakar that? Abi una no dey see the Chief Justice when this man don't put on board even before the election. Una no dey see him. Even if so, they drag this woman now, wanna say the woman not supposed to be there because her husband contested under APC. Even if say that woman come out there, Tanko Muhammad sit down there, nothing they happen. He did there for Buhari because now the man be the final of all the whole finance. Now the man go finalize whether Atiku must go there or na Buhari they there. And now the man when Buhari pick position and there pursue honor her come out and on when be the PDP una just did that they come the deceiver say that woman must go the woman because her husband do this her husband do that and the woman not supposed there among the panel was supposed to judge the case. It not make sense. That Tanko why una not tell them say make them remove Tanko when be the Chief Justice of the Federation, the Sharia master, why una not challenge the court made them remove that man when be saying I'm be their boss when Buhari bring come. Why can't be saying that woman when be say the woman self being there not mean say the woman get anything to do with the election. The only person when go act when go make sure say he finalize the whole thing na Tanko Muhammad, not be that woman. So una they pursue somebody when una not supposed to pursue. Still in the name to deceive Nigerian people. The straight point where una supposed to go, the real thing where una supposed to do, una not they do them. Una they go other direction. Now him make funky this say people when they follow Atiku Abubakar make una turn on her back because Atiku Abubakar not be person where una go trust. Atiku Abubakar not be person to trust. Even Obasanjo don't tell una before. Say Atiku Abubakar, that man, nobody know whether he don't collect money. But we the see now say it be like say he don't collect something from APC people, and the man go chuck him. So that is why from today they tell us say this their tribunal when they go. On the 29th here, in few days to come, Buhari go clinch as Nigerian president. I not see where Atiku Abubakar go take the mandate according to the way when they deceive people they claim. All these things na game when all of them, when be PDP and APC, they play. And it gets some APC, PDP caucus when we say them be big time, full time members. When we say them they on top PDP. Now them go still know the agenda when they for grant. Maybe something they don't still share something, give them. So I say everything, all this fight. When Atiku Abubakar they come the deceiver say you won't fight. They attack La Muhammad for apology. They attack Onoche for apology. It not make sense. Atiku, you say you lost election. We not dey see una for court. Una say una don't go tribunal. We not dey see una. Police don't come back say they don't use security field everywhere to make sure say violent not boss. Today we not see anything. We not see Atiku Abubakar for court. We not see Buhari for court. If una no say una dey challenge Buhari, make una challenge the Buhari in tribunal. Tell tribunal say make them stop the inauguration just the same way when Hope political party they do. Now we don't hear now say tribunal don't throw away Hope political party's petition. Say they don't need that kind of petition there. Now as they don't throw away Hope own, so they go throw away PDP own. That's all because the person went on board. Na Sudanese. That is why he no go look on her face, deal with una, because all of una they inside the same agenda. All of una they play the same game. So for you when they hope, because if you go online, you will see some people that they talk about Atiku Abubakar's claiming the mandate. Atiku Abubakar is not claiming anything. Atiku Abubakar is not fighting for any thing.
Yes.
He's not fighting for anything. So make we stop to deceive ourselves. Now the truth I just tell on because not be on 29 here, then go on 29 here, then go just inaugurate Buhari. May you see whether you go hear this case of APC and PDP again. Now that time when I will not say now Funky D. They tell on the truth. Now only Funky D go tell on the truth. May they inaugurate Buhari on some few days to come. All of us go see him. Whether PDP go they do all this year thing, whether they do, we know now. Make us not stop to deceive people. We not send on a message, and we no go ever send on a message. Atiku, not they fight for any tribunal case. All those things now why you where they tell us. If Atiku they really fight for this winning, when they talk say in win, when Funky D not say where in win, you get. If Atiku they really fight, ladies and gentlemen, they're not going to talk about inauguration now. Nobody going to talk about inauguration. Because they know say nobody win. Nobody win election. Why PDP not say APC not win election? Why not allow them to inaugurate Buhari, aka Jubri? If you no say he not win the election, if you no say they fight for the case, for the matter say Atiku win, why won't allow these people to inaugurate Buhari? The thing when the only people when they try to fight the thing now the whole political party when they say may they stop Buhari's inauguration. Now they say court don't throw away the case. Now only then when Atiku Abubakar and his group supposed to they follow, but Atiku Abubakar and his group that they do like say PDP now then get Nigeria and the APC. They say hope political party not be political party when supposed follow them the drag grant. See now then go fight the fight with Buhari alone. That is why when I see all the whole thing now why you hope say made them stop Buhari. PDP for say made them stop Buhari. If at all, then they fight say Atiku Abubakar win the election. These are the grant when I take who PDP people. And APC say then be the same people. And this grant, as they repeat and say, somebody like Atiku Abubakar go don't collect. In go choking. In go collect them. And nothing go happen. 2023, maybe in go still come and say he won't fight against if he's still there alive before that time. He wants to fight against this Ashawoju. Abi Ashawaju Bola Tinubu. When say 9-1 come become on a president. Nonsense people. Funky D. So now the matter when I get for now today, if you follow Atiku Abubakar, turn your back. Make you face the revolution. Because now the only way when Nigeria go take better, now the revolution. Without revolution, forget. This APC and PDP, they will remain in power. And nothing will happen. If Nigerian people not stand up to do this revolution once and for all. Now only revolution now go solve the problem. Not be all this agitation when all of them they agitate when we don't know where they come from. Funky this now only revolution will change things in that country. Make we sweep away all this our old meat when they are the APC and PDP. Then be old meat and old guards. Most sweep them come out. That is the only way. If you think say tomorrow, next tomorrow, you go become anything, you go get anything. When these people die alive, without revolution, and Nigeria not they go anywhere. And Nigeria we can never change if they not do that revolution. So that's why we are calling for that total revolution for a total change. Funky D. One love, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. If you know, so you never subscribe to Funky D, begin subscribe right now. You never share my video before. Begin to share my video. Share my videos. Scatter. Tell Atiku Abubakar say, man, we know who him be. in with APC. Now the same thing when all of them get the same plan, the same agenda to the rob Nigerians, hands down. Again, Funky D, they wait for a comment. If you get any comment, anything when you want yarn, maybe begin to the yarn. Funky D, they here, they wait for your yarnings. All right, one love, everybody, and God bless you. Funky D.